that swag, dude, in a major way. So yeah, this is gonna be intense, dude. We got Bell versus Chance. So we got Dynamite Belial in the high mode taking on Blizzard for Thrasher. So high mode, attachment, high mode, and you already know Blizzard not playing around with the stamina. So we're gonna see how it goes, man. So you know your boy's back in the cranking mood. And yeah, you already know. But we're gonna see how it goes. It's gonna be facing Dynamite Belial in it high mode. So we're gonna see how it goes. We're circling around. He's gonna circle around like that. Oh, big hit. Ooh, big hit. Oh. And yo, okay, Dynamite. Okay, Dynamite not playing. Alright, that's one. Boom, Blizzard, break. Dynamite, bomber. And oh man, it got shut down, dude. Wow, man, all that recoil, dude. All that recoil. But Blizzard's not taking it for granted. Alright, that is 2-1. Yeah, having Dynamite Bomber. Alright. Boom. And Dynamite Bomber. Dynamite Bomber. Big hit. Yo, big hit. Big hit and Belial. Alright, 2-2. It's intense for sure, man. Alright. Boom. And oh man, again. Getting shut down, man. Alright. Well, that is 4-2. So oh god. Can Blizzard Thrasher get the fortitude to come back and win it? Oh, if I can find the driver, god dang it. Oh my god, really? Okay, I think I need to use this light. Dang it. Where the hell the driver went? Oh, there it is. So wait a minute. So it's 4. So yeah, so can Dynamite Belial can get the fortitude to come back and win it. If not, we're gonna have to switch it into low mode. I think we're gonna switch to low mode. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna have to switch it into the low mode and high mode. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, there we go. Looking around. Come on, Dynamite. And okay, Dynamite. Alright, 4-3. Can Dynamite try to come back and win it? But honestly, those big attacks is probably going to be your downfall. But yeah, man. Alright. All those attacks. Gotta watch out for the recoil. Watch out for the recoil, man. It's not good. Oh, Blizzard scraping. 4-4. And no slopes. Alright, it's 4-4. 4-4. Alright. Boom. Dynamite. Bomber! Alright, that's not good, man. Gotta focus on those attacks. Big hit. And Dynamite Belial takes it, dude. So, yeah, man. It was honestly a really close fight. But Dynamite managed to come back and win it with that one, man. But anyways, Bell takes the win over Chance.